Hi everybody, and welcome back. Look at these. They came in the post yesterday, and they are two Pink Pig 6 by 6 inch square sketchbooks, spiral bound, and they're still in their shrink wrap. So let's get them open. Get my scissors in. This was the last one in pink on Amazon France, and it became unavailable after I had put it in my basket, so I was really hoping I was going to get it. Now the surprise for me on this is, look at the colour paper. It isn't white. All of it is brown. Well, to be professional, it is toned paper, but to me it's looking brown coffee coloured paper, all of it. So this is my challenge for me to get used to using toned drawing paper. Let's get into this one. Sometimes the packaging can be a little bit tricky, but I'd rather it was well packaged than damaged on delivery. So we have a black and a pink. There were other colours available, and these were only €2 each. I could not resist that bargain. We were buying another item which equalled out with the cost. If I had just bought these two and also then had to pay the delivery, it wouldn't have equalled out very well. It would have become more like under €9 or possibly €9 for two. And for me that wasn't worth it. But to have €2 and the delivery was on the other item basically, this is what I could justify, and I do like a bargain. So again, you get the Pink Pig cover and then brown paper, toned paper. We'll put this over here and just open that up. So that's what I love about these kind of sketchbooks. They are small, but not really for me. You can then put the cover back and have it like that and turn it around, just have one page, or you can have it like so. So you have a double page spread. Just depends on what you want to do. So in my next upcoming videos, I will be using these sketchbooks. I think there's a roughly 70 sheets per Pink Pig sketchbook. So that's a lot of drawing to do. And apparently, with toned paper, it is, you use, because it's the mid-tone, you use your dark and light colours. That's the theory. But I don't know whether I'm going to go in for any of that. I think I might just be using it as regular paper. We will have to wait and see. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll catch you next time. Bye!